Hello everyone, 10 root 9x is equals to 6. So we shall divide both sides by 10 by 10. So here we shall now have 9x root 9x is equals to 6 out of 10. So from here we simplify. Let's take 2, 2, 3, 2, 5. So the square root of 9x is equals to 3 out of 5. Then here from there we square both sides so that we omit this. So we shall have now 9x is equals to 3 multiplied by 3 all over 5 multiplied by 5. So there we shall have 9x shall now be 9 out of 25. Then now from there what do? We shall divide both sides by 9. Here we shall also divide by 9. So 9 here 1, 9 here 1. So x is equals to 1 out of 25.